Look what we have here.
I put it in the trash.
No, just open it. Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
What's this? What's this?
Mommy toy.
Ta-da!
Monster
Surprise!
Power Pooping monster.
It's a pooping monster.
Yeah.
It's a monster.
Pooping
Pooper.
a candy.
It poops candy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And I have meats. It's a candy.
So this is the candy that we'll use.
And that's a chocolate.
It's a mummy and this is mummy poop. This is mummy poop. Right?
This is a try.
Okay, it says I poop candy. Gross. With candy treats.
And look in the back.
Yeah, it says wind me up and watch me go.
And look in the back.
So what's on the back? Treats treat. Yep. Anyway, open it.
I can open it.
Just open it.
Whoa! That's crazy.
Ah,
Get it.
it's the Poopers Collector's Book.
Wow!
Hey,
I can
look what I found. Wind up your pooper and place in this tray. Hey, wait. See, it's the mummy pooper. And here's the wind up. Here's where you wind it up. And this is where you put in the candy. And this is, never mind. Hey, wait, let's show this first. See, you've got a lot of poopers here. Oh no. Ta-da! Robot poopers. Pirate poopers. Pooper treats. Feed your pooper. Save coupons. Huh. Zoo poopers. Sport poopers. Pet poopers. Monster poopers. Ah. Which one would you like?
I want monster poopers.
You want the monster poopers?
Yeah.
Well, we have one here and it's a mummy pooper.
And this is
Oh,
other
look.
one.
Let's get inside the mummy's head.
Sports poppers, pet poppers, and monster poppers.
That's where the candy goes in.
Yeah.
So, which one do you like? Which one do you like?
Monster poppers.
Poopers, not poppers.
Poopers.
Let's take out the candy.
It's a poopy. A pooper. Poopy.
Pop. Oh, yeah.
Poopy, poopy, pooper, 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 peep.
Yeah, let's take the orange one and put it inside. That's one. Hey, get more candy. Put it inside the mummy's head. That's how many? 2. That's 3. That's 4. You have 4. 5.
And the last one is 6.
6. Okay. There goes candies. Let's close it. And you want to wind it up? Wind it up.
Can you light up?
And I'm gonna wind it up. And hey.
Does that work?
Of course it should work. I know what's wrong.
What?
The poop is too big. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. It's too big. The poop's too big. We gotta take out the poop from his head. Yeah. See? Poop's too big. Candy's too big. What are we gonna do?
It's gonna pop out.
It won't pop out because it's too big.
Look.
Huh? You're eating the candy? See? It's too big. What are we gonna do?
Yummy.
Stuck. It's stuck inside. Oh, there's the fireman. Okay, we're gonna fix this.
Yeah.
Hey, you're eating all the candy. Okay, so we got the candy out. The poop went out of the mummy's head. Now, let's see the mummy walk.
Oh, it's no candy.
Yeah, let's just pretend that they fell out. See? Yeah, this one's a good looking poop. There. Yeah, it's a trail of poop. It's too bad. See? That's the mummy's never mind. So,
Look.
hey, you're eating all the candy again. That's the mummy's poop. You're eating poop? Yep, she's eating poop, my poop. Let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And see you next time.
Poop eating.
Yep. Don't forget to subscribe. Yay!